Today we're going to attempt to do a full face featuring e.L.F products. Let's go. All the products that I will be mentioning on this video will be linked down below. Okay, so we're gonna go first with the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. It does have the spoolie. Eyebrows are so sparse and I usually like to start with my eyebrows. I mean, e.L.F has been really, over the last years, really stepping up their game and just really making the most out of all these products. I actually like how this is turning out. Next product, and this one is called the Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Let's see how this is gonna turn out. Yeah, I can definitely see the shade. It's different and it will be me having a full face and trying two different brow products and looking a little cray-cray. This is definitely darker. Do you like the Instant Lift Brow or do you like the Precise Brow Pencil? Let me know down below. I added some tape because I want that look on myself and I am super excited to try Bite Size Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Carnival Candy. And we're also going to try Glitter Topper, which I'm excited to play with. This is so adorable. Oh, before I jump into the eyeshadow, I also have the Flawless Brightening Concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium 30 Warm. See if the product is coming. I should have done this before. I'm just gonna do a little bit here. Instantly, my first impression, yeah, it does give you a brightening effect. But okay, I look like I rested for, I took like a power nap. Let's move on to the concealer. Now I know the hydrating was so good. The coverage was amazing. The shade Medium Beige. Ooh, I love this. Please cover my dark circles, please. To blend out, I'm gonna use the Total Face Sponge. This thing grew like nobody's business. It's slanted, I love this, pointed on the other side, and I'm just gonna use my brush on this side, why not? Boy, that really covered pretty good. I'm gonna use the tip of the sponge and let's blend this bad boy. So I didn't pick up that many face powder products from e.L.F, but I have this contour palette. I'm gonna use this color and we're gonna set this up a little bit. Are we gonna add this? There's a lot of fallout, but you know, you can't beat it for the price. We're gonna go to the next shade. We're gonna just dip a little bit more. Ooh, that fallout. I am very happy with the pigmentations. This is saying a lot. I'm gonna blend this out. Wow, and it's not patchy at all. It's blending out nicely. I am gonna dip into the deeper brown and continue with my Outer V shade. Oh yeah, okay. I just love how these two colors blend out beautifully. For the remaining of the lid, I am gonna go back with that bone color and just add a little bit more coverage in here because I went a little ham. Oh my god, this is really pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that out so it doesn't look so harsh in here. We're gonna move on to the last shade, which is a nice pop of color. Can we talk about this? So I'm gonna put this on my inner tear duct. God, let's hope for the best. I don't know if this was a good idea or not, but we're about to find out. Okay, we're gonna do like a full inner corner. Is this a good idea? I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. I really wanted to have that extra like punch in the inner corner, which we can say that I definitely did. I'm just gonna apply this and try to fix it. Fix it, Jesus. You know what? I am actually not mad at it now that I'm blending it out. It's getting there. I know we just have to trust the process and we have to make mistakes along the way. And next is gonna be the H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen and the shade Jet Black. Ooh, look at this marker pen. Wow. Of course, that had to happen to me. It's okay. Listen, we're gonna fix it. This is absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna just swatch it. Oh, she dried. I'm gonna add a little bit on the inner corner. Oh, she's so pretty. Yes, we love a little glitter situation, don't we? I'm gonna have to smoke out the bejesus out of this lower lash line because I got a little too carried away with that. Now I'm thinking if I should just do the blue. I think I'm gonna do that. This shimmery blue, I think that was a good choice, Mariela. For the lashes, we're gonna try the Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. All right, we're gonna see what this mascara one looks like. Okay, you guys can see I have to fix this part. It did something. It definitely did something to my lashes. Okay, now that the eyes are ready, it's the pleasure to remove this. What do you guys think so far of the eyes? Let me know down below. All right, we're gonna move on to complexion, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I have never ever tried the poreless putty primer. I did try the liquid version, which I personally didn't see that much of a wow moment on my pores. So this right here, I'm excited about. I have enlarged pores. I actually love this effect, and I think I may like this better than the liquid putty primer. The next product that I did already tried is the E.L.F grip primer with niacinamide, and as you guys can see, this has been so loved. I love the original, but this little tea, it's a grip. For foundation, we're gonna go for the original Camo CC cream, and this is a medium 330 warm and olive undertone. And then this one, I recently did a review on this, like a first impression. This is the hydrating version, and this one was with SPF 30, and this is medium 370. I'm a little bit concerned about this because 330 and 370 is like a little bit of an adjustment, to say the least. So this has a warm undertone, and this had a neutral olive undertone. She's like, but you know what? Like I said, the theme of this full face makeup is to make it work regardless, but the coverage is real. And I'm gonna do the one that I actually been using. Oh girl, you went a little ham, but we're gonna use the sponge. But the coverage is beautiful. It's definitely more dewy. Oh yes. We're gonna go back again a little bit with, I think this was a brightening. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this in here. And the concealer, just gonna do one dot. I'm gonna put a little bit here, a dot there, because this is coverage. Beep, beep. I'm gonna use the small little side of the brush, and look at that instant under eye brightening effect. Gonna go back with the sponge. We're gonna bronze our face with the famous putty bronzer, and this is in the shade Golden Days. I am super excited to try this product. I'm not gonna lie, because I heard amazing reviews about this. Oh my god. Just gonna whoop, add a little more dimension on the face. Oh, and it's blending out really nice. Thought I was gonna dry a little fast. That didn't happen. I am back with some lashes, and I am back with some blushes. So I picked up this shade because I kind of wanted to match my E.L.F Luminous Putty Blush. This one is in the shade Isla del Sol. Then we have the brand new E.L.F Camo Liquid Blush, and this is in the shade Coral Crush. And I'm gonna do 2 dots, and that color looks, oh, that looks so pretty. Looking to see if this is gonna pick up my foundation. What I can tell you right now, it is not doing that. And I probably just needed 1 dot, but I just wanted to see how pigmented this was, which, hello. And now we're gonna move on to this one right here, the putty, which I've never tried in my freaking life, and I'm excited. I feel like I'm opening gifts every time I'm taking the packaging. It's pretty close to the color that I picked for the liquid blush. Oh, this is very pigmented as well. And I like the dewiness of it. She's cute, but I think I like this color actually better. Then this one, I am gonna use the setting spray. This is the Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist. We're gonna shake it. What does this smell like? The mist is beautiful. I don't want to stop. Oof, wow, what is that? I don't have a translucent powder or powder foundation brush, but I'm gonna go back to this to set the bronzer and probably my under eye a little bit. It's all right. It's all right. Yeah, I'm gonna go back with this and try to brighten my under eye. It really smoothed out my under eye. I think it's very pigmented. For blush, this is the Bite Size Face Duo in the shade Pomegranate. I can't get over this blush. I look like a doll. I'm not used to this much blush. I haven't used a highlighter in a hot minute, and I'm just using it with my fingers. I don't know what's gotten into me, but okay. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my god, that is so stunning. The texture is so smooth. Look at that. Now we're gonna move on to lips. So since I don't have a lip liner because I completely forgot about him, I will use the bronzer because we have to multitask. And I don't know if this is gonna work out, but we're gonna find out. Well, that gave me a little pout, right? I wish it could be darker. I'm gonna use the contour powder and set the cream bronzer. What do you guys think? I think I did that. For lipstick, we're going to try the Seriously Satin lipstick in the shade Taffy. No. Here it is. I'm gonna go back. I hate the color for this. I don't think it's gonna go well. It's too bright for this, but that's okay. I absolutely have tried these. They're absolutely gorgeous, and these are the Glow Reviver Lip Oil. This is in the nude shade. That made such a difference. And then I'm gonna use this lip plumping gloss. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay. You guys can see, but the lips are bigger, juicier, glossier. I just want to experience this again. The Setting All Night Mist. Woo! I absolutely love the outcome. I was very surprised, even though there were some hiccups while coming up with this makeup look. I love the inner corner, like how it turned out. I like that even though I didn't have a lip liner. Let me know down below if you have tried the E.L.F. lip liners, and if so, which one are your favorites, so I can try them. Even though I picked some wrong shades when it comes to certain things, I still managed to make it work, and that's what I love about these full face products. You get to experience them. If you love E.L.F. products, then I would highly suggest you to go into this next video, which I'm sure you're gonna have so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next time, I will see you on my next video. Mwah! Besitos. Bye.